Took our first date. Like just me and y'all. Pray for us.
Who lives in Peace Forest?
Got a little stuff right there. Ooh wee! Finally got. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Sweet Black Family. We back.
Like the Statue of Liberty.
Hey, we just took our first date. Like just me and her, not the baby.
Well,
we out here.
one baby.
Y'all see Captain America behind us, or whoever that lady is. We just entered this spot right here. We just took some pictures over there, and we got security over there, and I just almost hit her in her face. Well, let's walk through this tunnel.
I think we already have a vlog here, right?
Yeah. Alright. Right now, we are getting wood, and we are trying to survive because it's cold in our house. Our electricity is off. Got my father-in-law right there cutting the wood. And we just gathering it up, taking it there. Hey, man. Y'all pray for us.
Who lives in Peace Forest?
Oh! Yeah. Come with me. Let's go, you guys. We are trying to survive. I got my videographer, Mr. Fernando, in the back.
Hello.
And we trying to survive. We trying to survive, right, Fernando?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, it's inches of snow out here in Dallas. Dallas, we got inches of snow. We got foot of snow. Show them this, man. Show them the trunk. No, show them this.
And then the wind.
Woo! Hey, let me show them this. Look. Oh, boy. Yeah, right there. Yeah, there. Thank you, son. We got the wood, baby. We got the wood. Yeah.
I thought if we sell the wood for $10, that would be good. Let's sell them wood. And we'll get money.
Let me. We could start our own business.
That's what I said last time.
I think that's my idea. Yeah, we're gonna sell this. Okay, let's go back and see if we gotta go get some more. Okay.
More wood?
Let's
That's
go.
from a forest. Yeah, then. That's all you're gonna say? Peace?
Come on, you gotta go record Jose cutting the wood with the chainsaw.
I'll go far down. Tinkle.
Let me record you, Fernando. So now we got Fernando with the chainsaw. Uh-oh. So we got the trunk full. About to start this wood selling business. Just make sure you don't cut my leg off, alright? Man, there's a lot of snow out here, right?
Well, maybe not sell the wood.
Take a picture of me. Hey, keep your mask on. It's warmer, right? Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got my wife right here, starting Vanessa Black. We got little Black over here. Hello. And we got. Oh, I can't see her. Where is Fernando?
Hi.
And we got Fernando. So as y'all see, we got the fireplace lit, and we got a few candles. This is the winter storm. Excuse me. And ooh, look at that. Got the dogs over here. Got a little stuff right there. Ooh, we finally got the gas on. We got a few candles lit up over there and a lit up over there. But let me take y'all to the back of the house and show y'all a little tour. My mama is right here, but I don't know. Let me see.
She's too famous. She don't want to be part
She too famous? All right. We got this. Just in case we need a little guidance to make it to the restroom. We got the water dripping right here, just in case. So it doesn't freeze. Anything else we got? I forgot.
cold nose.
Oh, yeah.
A surprise!
All right, let's go. So, yeah. What else we got going on?
I need a trash.
Oh, yeah. We can't forget the kingdom. What? What? What'd you say? Hey, 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 hey. All right, let's go. It's time's up. So I'm about to go on back in there. We will talk to y'all this is a little baby girl playroom over here. We'll talk to y'all a little bit about this. When we get lights, we don't got no lights. We got Fernando right here drinking the Dr. Pepper. And my mama, she was just, huh?
Can you come give me some light?
Oh, she needs a little light, y'all. Let me bring her the light. Let there be light. Da 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 Grinch.
Who is that?
Yeah.
Of course she's going to sing with that.
The Grinch.
Now what?
It is not Christmas no more, little girl. Whose sweater you wearing? Vanessa's?
Yeah, I gave him that because it's cold.
What the?
Don't even ask me. Ask
Oh my
her.
goodness, sir.
What? It's cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cold, but I got a whole bunch of good thick sweaters in my closet you could have put on. You want to wear this looking like Grandma Ruth? You want to walk around looking like Grandma Ruth or something?
Like this?
Hey, Grandma Ruth. I got you. Ooh, this the only light really out. Look at her peeking. So, man, everybody out here in Dallas in the same situation. This ain't nothing special, man. If you didn't get your electric off, God bless you. But I'm sure you did. Because if you're in Texas, something happened to your electricity or your water or something happened. But I'm just showing y'all the inside scoop of what's going on over here in the Black family hood. And my wife back there trying to give birth early for some reason. I don't know. Y'all comment down below why she trying to give birth early. I think she trying to get to the margaritas or something in the summertime. Y'all let me know. But what'd you say, Mama?
Good night.
What you in a rush for?
She don't want to say I want to be seen.
All right, y'all. So this is her playroom. As I told y'all last video, I know it's been a while. It's been a month. I just seen, but furniture is gone, and this the playroom. We're gonna have these shut at all times. And we plan on getting like a couch, like a small couch for her and her brother. And also we plan on getting a door right here, like a slide door that we could close. And I just asked Vanessa today if we should, where these rectangles are, if we could get somebody to cut them out. I know I'm overthinking this. But I know it's gonna cost a lot of money if we did do it. If we cut these rectangles out, boom, boom, and boom, and put like windows. So, I don't know. And from here, they'll be able to look through and watch the TV. Or we might not do the cutting. We might just hang a TV up there, a little small TV, so they can watch TV in here. Or hang it up there, but we'll see. What you think, lady? Yes? Yes? She said yes, whatever. Whatever, Dad. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Yeah, she got her little stuff she be baking and cooking, and her balls and her trampoline and her car. She got a lot of stuff. These balls, I think, oh no, she got some balls that go in here that are scattered out. And she got a few balls in there that like thick. These got their own separate balls, and that got their own separate balls. And then she got all her teddy bears. Teddy bears. She got her little life-size dog. Like her eyes move, see? Yeah. Creepy things. You see that? You see her eyes move? That's your friend? So she got curly hair like me, Daddy. Yep. So I know y'all wondering where Vanessa at. She back there. She said she felt like she floating. I said, girl, you high? You been smoking? No, but yeah, she haven't been feeling too good. Hey. Ooh. It was lit, y'all.
He's lit.
Who's lit?
He's lit. Oh, that Coke.
You wanna go take a picture?
Yeah.